Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as process costing. We are going to do question number 15 in the books of Satyuk Times Limited. Right? They've given you three processes: ingestion, digestion and assimilation with stop. Now let's see how do we do the sum. First let's transfer the entries, guys. Satyuk Times Limited submits the following information in respect of the product which passes through three consecutive processes: ingestion, digestion and assimilation. Quantitative information. They've given you two basic raw material. They've given you is 80,000 kgs and they've given you that the cost per kg is 40. They've given you basic raw material at the rate of 40 rupees per kg is 80,000 kg. So 4 8s are 32, so that is going to be 32 lakhs. Fine. Next, normal yield. Now if they've given you that normal yield is 80%, that means my normal output is 80%. Out of 100%, if normal output is 80%, that means my normal loss is going to be 20%. If normal output is 80%, that means normal loss has to be 20%. Let's see the working out, guys. Now I'm going to post the entries for all the three processes together. For ingestion process, they've given you normal yield is 80%. That means normal loss is going to be 20%. For digestion process, they've given you normal yield is 60%. That means normal loss is going to be 40%. Whatever is the normal output, 100 minus normal output will give you the normal loss. Similarly, assimilation process, normal yield is 50%. That means normal loss will be 50%. Fine. Let's see this. Output during the month, units, rupees. Output during the month for ingestion process, they've given you is 62,000 units. For digestion process, units, rupees. The output during the month is given to you as 36,000 units. And for assimilation process, the output during the month is given to you as 21,000 units. Okay. Now, they give you stock process output. So these are the outputs of the stock. 31st December 2003. That means two opening stock. That will be two balance brought down. Opening stock is 8,000 units for ingestion process, and closing stock by balance carry down is 10,000 units. Opening stock is 8,000 units, closing stock is 10,000 units. Similarly, for digestion process, opening stock to balance brought down, opening stock is 8,000 units and closing stock is given to you as 4,000 units. For assimilation process, opening stock to balance brought down, opening stock is given to you as 5,000 units and closing stock is given to you as 4,000 units. Right? Next, other information. Now for ingestion process, they give you monetary information this way. To material is 3,45,000. Then they give you to labor man days is 2,400 and labor rate per man day is 80. I have 2,400 workers working for me. Each worker is being paid 80 rupees per day. So 80 into 2,400 will give me my total wages, right? My total wages will be 80 into 2,400. 80 into 2,400 comes to 1,92,000. Right? That's how I get wages. Machine overheads, they've said, is 60% of wages. So to machine overheads is 60% of wages. Wages are 1,92,000. 60% of that will be 1,15,200. 1,15,200. Right? Then they've also said that other manufacturing overheads. To other manufacturing overheads is given to you as 2,75,800. Right? That's your other manufacturing overheads. They have also given you that value of opening stock per kg is 60 rupees. Opening stock we know is 8,000 units. Right? 60 rupees per kg. So for 8,000 kg, 6 8s are 48. 3 and 1, 4,80,000. So my opening stock is going to be 4,80,000. Now same way I'm going to post the information for digestion process. For digestion process, they have given you that material is 8,26,000 to material 8,26,000. Then to wages. How will I get the wages amount? Guys, labor man day multiplied by the rate, that is 1,500 labors I have, and I'm paying them 100 rupees per day. So 1,500 into 100. 1,500 into 100, that's going to be my total wages. Then to machine overheads. Machine overheads. Machine overheads is given to you as 50% of process material. Right? My process material is 8,26,000. 50% of that will be 4,13,000. Right? Then to other manufacturing overheads. To other overheads. Other overheads are given to you as 1,63,000. Okay. Then opening stock is given to you. Value of opening stock is per kg is 140. I have 8,000 kgs and it is 140 rupees per kg. So that will be 11,20,000. How did I get that? 8,000 into 140, 11,20,000. That finishes all my information for digestion process. Let's move to assimilation process, guys. Assimilation process to material. Material is given to you as 6,17,000. Then to wages. You have 1,000 workers working at the rate of 150 rupees per day. So that is 150 and another 3 zeros. Right? That's 1,50,000. Then machine overheads. To machine overheads is 2,34,000. Then to other overheads. To other overheads is given to you as 1,27,000. And opening stock is given to you as 300 rupees per kg. 5,000 kgs at the rate of 300 rupees per kg. 5 3s are 15, 3 zeros from there and 2 zeros from there. So that's going to be 15 lakhs. Right? Okay. We have put in all the information. Let's start with the tally, guys. Now, let's first start with the ingestion process. Right? You have 80,000 units, and when you add all that, you will get 41,28,000 rupees. Right? You have 80,000 units and 41,28,000. The addition of all the amounts, that is your 32 lakhs plus 3,45,000 plus 1,92,000 plus 1,15,200 plus 2,75,800 will give you 41,28,000. Now, my normal loss is given to you as 20%. 20% of 80,000 is going to be 16,000. Normal loss is to be calculated at the rate of scrap. Now if you see the sum at the end, they've given you scrap value per kg. For ingestion process is 10 rupees. So 16,000 into 10 will give you 1,60,000. So this will give you 64,000, and this is 3 zeros as it is, 8, this is going to be 6. So when you subtract, some of these subtract is 41,28,000 minus 1,60,000. 38,68,000. Someone cross check please.
So 39 lakh.
39,68,000. Oh. 39,68,000. Now get your CPU. How do you get CPU? 39,68,000 divided by 64,000. When you divide this, you will get your CPU as 62. Okay. Now actual output, guys, we've got an expected output of 64,000 units, whereas my actual output is only 62,000 units. That means there has been a loss. This will be called as your abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is 2,000 units. Abnormal loss is to be calculated at the rate of CPU. So 2,000 into 62 will give you 1,24,000. Right? So your actual output will be subtract the 2, 38,44,000. Fine. So that will give you 38,44,000. Right? Now let's start transferring the entries. This is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 16,000 units and 1,60,000. Yes, you want to ask me something?
It's 37 lakh.
No. Cross check. 39,68,000.
It's 39. Wait.
39,68,000 minus 1 lakh. 38,68,000 minus 24 should give you 38,44. Right? Now let's transfer the entries by normal loss. Normal loss is 16,000 units, 1,60,000 by abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is 2,000 units, 1,24,000, and this is by ingestion stock. The actual output will be transferred to stock, 62,000 units and 38,44,000. Tally this. This is going to be 80,000. And this is going to be 41,28,000. This is 80,000 and this is 41,28,000. Right? Transfer. So this is going to be 2 ingestion stock. Ingestion stock is 62,000 and this is 38,44,000. Right? Tally this. Now before I tally this, I have to find out the value of the closing stock. Closing stock is 10,000 units. Closing stock of stock account has to be always calculated at the rate of CPU. So 10,000 into CPU of ingestion process is 62. So 62 into 10,000 will give you 6,20,000. Now let's tally this. This is going to be 70,000 units. 38,44,000 plus 4,80,000 will give you 43,24,000. So this is 70,000. This is 43,24,000. The difference will be called as digestion process. 70 minus 10, 60,000 units, and 43,24,000 minus 6,20,000 will give you 37,04,000. 37 lakh 4,000. Right? Bring this down here. This is going to be 2 ingestion stock. Units are 60,000 and amount is 37 lakh 4,000. Right? Now, let's see this digestion process. In digestion process, let's add this. Units will be 60,000, and if I add all the amounts, that is 37 lakh 4,000 plus 8 lakh 26,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus 4 lakh 13,000 plus 1 lakh 63,000. If I add all of that, I will get 52 lakhs 56,000. I will get this as 52 lakhs 56,000. Units are 60,000. Right? Now, the normal loss is 40%. So you will calculate 40% on 60,000. 40% on 60,000 is 24,000. 60,000 into 40%. You have to multiply that by the scrap value. If you see the sum right at the bottom of ingestion process, they have given you that scrap value is 15 rupees per kg. So for 24,000 kgs, it will be 15 into 24,000, that is 3,60,000. Right? Do we get this in clear? Now, this is going to be 36,000 units, and this is 0 is gone 6, so this will be 9, 15, 47. 47 lakh 96,000. Fine. Now look at your expected out. Let's get the CPU first. CPU will be 47 lakh 96,000 divided by 36,000, which is going to be 136. That should be 48 lakh 96,000.
48.
Should be 48 lakh 96,000. So 48 lakh 96,000 divided by 36,000 will give you a CPU of 136. Right? So someone just cross check, is that CPU correct? 48 lakh 96,000 divided by 36,000 will give you a CPU of 136.
Yes.
Okay. Now look at your expected output. Expected output is 36,000 units. Actual output is also 36,000 units. So this will be 48 lakh 96,000. There is no abnormal loss or gain. Right? Let's transfer this. This is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 24,000 units and 3,60,000. Then this is going to be by digestion stock. Digestion stock is 36,000 units and 48 lakh 96,000. Tally this. If you tally this, this is going to be 60,000 units and this is going to be 52 lakhs 56,000. 52 lakhs 56,000. 60,000 units, 52 lakh 56,000. Right? Now transfer that stock account into the digestion stock. So this is going to be to digestion process. Digestion process is 36,000 and 48 lakh 96,000. Okay. Now closing stock is 4,000 units. Closing stock is always to be valued at CPU. So multiply 4,000 by the CPU. CPU is 136. So if I multiply 4,000 by 136, I'll get 5,44,000. Now tally this. 36,000 plus 8,000, that's 44,000. 48 lakh 96,000 plus 11 lakh 20,000 will give you 60 lakh 16,000. This is 44,000 This is 60 lakh 16,000. Right? The difference will be called as assimilation process. How do I get this? 44,000 minus 4,000, that is 40,000, and 60 lakh 16,000 minus 5 lakhs 44,000 will give you 54 lakh 72,000. Right? Transfer this to the assimilation process to digestion stock. Amount is 40,000 units and 54 lakh 72,000. Right? Now let's add this. 40,000 will be the number of units, and when you add this, this is going to be the addition of assimilation will be 66 lakhs. 66 lakhs. So this is going to be 40,000 units and 66 lakhs. Loss is 50%, right? If your loss is 50%, that means that will be 20,000 units. Loss is to be calculated at the rate of scrap. If you see your assimilation process, the loss, the scrap value is given to you as 20 rupees. So 20,000 into 20 will give you 4 lakhs. So your expected output will be 20,000 and this will be 62 lakhs. Right? 20,000 and 62 lakhs. So your CPU is going to be 310. Right? How did I get that? 62 lakhs divided by 20,000. Right? Now you were expecting an output of 20,000 units, whereas you have got an output of 21,000 units. You got an extra output, so this will be abnormal gain. So I have a gain of 1,000 units. 1,000 multiplied by the CPU. Gain is always at the rate of CPU. So 1,000 multiplied by 310. So 310 and then another 3 zeros. So this is going to be 69 lakh 10,000. Right? Let's transfer this. So if you transfer this,
So
no, 62 and 365 lakhs 10,000. This is going to be 65 lakhs 10,000, right? Okay, let's transfer this. So if you transfer this, this is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 20,000 units and 4 lakh rupees. Abnormal gain. Abnormal gain is to be written on the debit side to abnormal gain. Abnormal gain is 1,000 units and this is 3 lakh 10,000. Right? And future output will be by assimilation. My assimilation stock is 21,000 units and 65 lakh 10,000. Right? Tally this. This is going to be 41,000 and this is 69 lakh 10,000. This is 41,000, 69 lakhs 10,000. Right? Transfer this. So this is going to be to assimilation process. Assimilation process is 21,000 units and 65 lakh 10,000. Fine, do we get this in here? Now, when you are tallying the last account, what you have to do is first tally only the units. So 21,000 plus 5, 26,000, right? Okay, here closing stock we do not have the amount. I already told you that closing stock is to be calculated at the rate of CPU. We have calculated the CPU for assimilation process as 310. So 4000 into 310 will give you 12 lakh 40,000. Okay. Now let's see this. This is 26,000. 26,000 minus 4,000, 22,000. This is going to be by sale, right? So you will be selling 22,000 units. These 22,000 units have to be sold at the rate of sale price. The sale price is given to you at the end of the sum. Sale price is given to you as 350 rupees. So 22,000 into 350 will give you 77 lakhs. $77 lakhs plus 12 lakh 40,000, 89 lakh 40,000. Right? Now 89 lakh 40,000. The difference will be called as costing P&L, which will be 9 lakh 30,000 to costing P&L, 9 lakh 30,000. Now let's get to abnormal loss account. Abnormal loss. Where did we have abnormal loss? We had abnormal loss in ingestion process. Ingestion process had abnormal loss. So this will be 2 ingestion process. 2,000 units, 1,24,000. Right? How do you tally this? This is going to be by bank. Write the 2,000 units as it is. Multiply it by the scrap value. The scrap value of ingestion process is 10 rupees. So that is going to be 20,000 rupees. Tally this. So this is going to be 2,000, 1,24,000. Right? This is going to be 2,000 and 1,24,000. 1,24,000 minus 20,000 is 1,04,000. This is going to be by costing P&L. Right? Next, abnormal gain. Abnormal gain I have in assimilation process. By assimilation process. Assimilation process is 1,000 units and 3,10,000. Right? This is going to be 2 normal loss is 1,000 units, and you have to multiply this by the scrap value. Scrap value is 20. That's 20,000. This difference will be called as 2 costing P&L. This is 1,000 and 3,10,000. This is 1,000 and 3,10,000. So this is going to be 2,90,000. Normal loss. You have normal loss in all the 3 processes. 2 ingestion, 2 digestion, 2 assimilation. Right? For ingestion process, your normal loss was 16,000 units, and that was 1,60,000 rupees. Right? For digestion process, just a minute guys, just see this, how to do this. Yes, let's continue with this. For digestion process, your normal loss is 24,000 units, and it is 3,60,000. and for assimilation process your normal loss is 20,000 and it is 4 lakhs. Right? And you also have had a normal loss here. This is by abnormal gain. Abnormal gain, you have normal loss of 1000 units and 20,000. Tally this account. So this is 24, 30, 40, 60, 60,000 units. And this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lakhs 20,000. 9 lakh 20,000. So this is going to be 60,000 units and 9 lakh 20,000. So this will be by bank 59,000 and 9 lakhs. This is 20,000. Okay. Now let's come to costing P&L. You have costing P&L in your assimilation stock. So this is going to be by assimilation stock. You have costing P&L of 9,30,000 there. Then you have costing P&L in abnormal loss to abnormal loss. Costing P&L is 1,04,000. Then you have costing P&L in abnormal gain by abnormal gain. In that you have costing P&L of 2,90,000. Tally this. This will be 12,30,000. This is 12,30,000. $11,26,000. Right? The difference among these cross check that will be called
12,20,000.
which one? 90, 12,20,000, not 12,30,000. This is 12,20,000, and this will be costing P&L. Someone just cross check my addition. 12,20,000 minus 1,04,000 should be 16,000.
Yes.
11,16,000. So your costing P&L will be 11,16,000, right? This finishes the sum. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you very much.